refer the House to my entry in the register as patron of the Disability Law Service. Mr. Speaker, this pandemic is taking an enormous toll on people across our country. The pandemic is hitting everybody. That's why Liberal Democrats have worked constructively with ministers, backing every measure to keep people safe, from lockdowns to face coverings. Last March, when the coronavirus bill was rushed through, we were willing to take ministers at their word that the bill was essential, despite reservations about its impact on people's well-being, freedoms and rights. With the benefit of 6 months' experience of this Act, we must tonight oppose its renewal. As I raised in the second reading debate in March, and with the Prime Minister 2 weeks ago, this legislation undermines the rights to care of disabled people, the rights to care of some of society's most vulnerable people, the rights to care for children with special needs and disabilities. That is wrong, and it breaks international law. Now, we know the party opposite doesn't care about breaking international law. The fact this Act breaches our legal obligations under the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, that may not matter to Conservative members opposite, but it should. How a country treats its most vulnerable people in an emergency is one of the most critical tests of a country's character. I'm pleased but not surprised that polling shows the true character of the British people. 2/3 of the public believe that the Act's social care reductions are unacceptable. Liberal Democrats agree, as do over 150 organisations campaigning for the rights of disabled people who've called for these sections of the Act to be withdrawn. It's no good ministers saying these powers have rarely been used. The experience of disabled people during the pandemic should shame this government. Inclusion London published a report, Abandoned, Forgotten and Ignored, the Impact of COVID-19 on Disabled People. It has horrifying reports from disabled people across the country about cuts to their care packages, food shopping not done, personal washing not done, vital care at home not done. And speaking as a father of a disabled child, huge numbers of parents of disabled children have been hit. A survey by the Disabled Children's Partnership showed that for 76% of families with disabled children, vital care and support previously relied on have been stopped altogether. This House should speak up for those families, for those carers, for disabled people, and vote against this measure tonight.